Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix Instagram Reels login. So let's start. First let's go to Instagram and then let's go to our Instagram account. When we are here on our Instagram account, let's go to the three lines in the right top corner. Just click there. So when we are here, just scroll down and let's go to media. Okay, so let's go here to app and media, and let's go to the usage and media quality. Just click there. If you have activated this option, I recommend you to deactivate data server. Okay, that is why Instagram Reels are logging, because you are using less data on your device. So maybe with this you can fix it. Another option that you can do it well is delete the cache on Instagram. So just press Instagram app, then let's go app info. When we are here on app info, just click on clear data and delete all the cache. When you delete the cache, the app give you a refresh. So that's probably something that helps you to fix this problem. In most of the cases with some of these options, the problem will fix it. So if you can fix it, I recommend you to uninstall Instagram app and then reinstall again. So that's another way, but I think it's the last way to do it. So first you can try about the data and media, and the last is delete your cache from Instagram account. So guys, I hope one of these helps you to fix the problem. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and and give thumb up to this video.